Hello friends, see you again with me Supercar. In this video I will review the 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Watch the video to the end so you know what is being upgraded to the 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Continue to support the Supercar channel by giving likes, comments, subscribing, and tapping the bell so that you get other latest car videos. Ford has finally found a way to fit the F-150 Raptor into a proper V8 again. And not just any V8, it's the supercharged 5.2-liter Shelby GT500, also known as the Predator. The epic engine upgrade is the justification for the new Ford F-150 Raptor R 2023. It also rings the bell signaling the start of the heavyweight title fight that Raptor vs. TRX trucks have been waiting for. Oversized 37-inch BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/a KO2 tires are fitted to every Raptor R. You won't find that high rubber on the Ram TRX or any other factory-made truck nowadays. The big BFG is the same one available on the V6 Raptor. In fact, with the 37s included, both models have the same 13.1-inch ground clearance and nearly identical suspension setup. The biggest difference is that Ford gave the R version specially tuned dampers and 5% stiffer front springs to better handle the V8's extra weight. Because Ford didn't want regular Raptor owners to regret not having a more powerful version, Ford chose not to make the two trucks look very different. However, the company still wants Raptor owners to have something that sets their trucks apart as big bike models. One of the most obvious signs is the taller power dome on the hood, which sits about an inch higher than the V6 version. Hence to the 700 horsepower V8 nestled between the truck's protruding front fenders includes several R dials in a different code orange color. Along with small badges on the grille, power dome, and tailgate, the letter R in the Raptor letter on the bedside graphics is orange. The graphics themselves are also unique to the Raptor R, featuring interesting patterns that should look like hard, cracked desert soil. Interpretation is debatable. Fortunately, those who prefer a cleaner look can choose to remove the graphics at no cost. The hefty power figures are fun to brag about, but a truck like the F-150 Raptor needs a roar to back up its specs. While the regular V6 twin-turbo Raptor has better vocals than the previous generation, the soundtrack is still more Fleetwood Mac than Metallica. Thankfully, The R-rated V8 Raptor and redesigned exhaust give this truck the sound and fury to rival the Hellcat 702 HP-powered Ram TRX. We've heard the Raptor alive and can confirm that it will wake up the neighbors and scare the kids. It also has a quieter cold start mode to show respect. Predator and pickup truck. As has been rumored and later confirmed, the Raptor R is powered by a Ford Predator V8. However, there are some significant differences between the pickup truck version and the under-the-hood version of the Shelby GT500. In the strongest Mustang, the blown motor produces 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. In the Raptor R, the supercharged 5.2-liter V8 produces 700 horses and 640 pound-feet. For further comparison, the regular Raptor's 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine produces 450 horses and 510 pound-feet. Inside, the Raptor R looks like most other F-150 models and has most of the same technology and features as the regular Raptor. However, there are some details that differ. Carbon fiber accents throughout the cabin have an exclusive pattern. The upholstery is a mix of black leather and micro suede, and the R comes standard with a pair of comfortable and supportive Recaro front seats. The steering wheel also features an R button that allows the driver to instantly access the preset driving modes. The cabin of the Raptor has a black interior with Recaro leather and suede upholstery along with carbon fiber trim. A 12.0-inch digital gauge cluster and 12.0-inch touchscreen carry over from the Raptor. The Raptor R will offer a cabin as spacious and comfortable as the standard F-150. Ford doesn't slack off when it comes to choices for the most important models, and the Raptor R is no exception. Like the standard Raptor, this truck will come with Ford's excellent multi-contour seats. Nonetheless, supply chain difficulties and an ongoing shortage of microchips have led Ford to sell trucks without excellent massage features. Features offered on other F-150 models are available on the Raptor R. There is a collapsible work surface, as well as lockable interior storage and dozens of accessories. The driver aids and safety technology in the Raptor R are identical to the standard Raptor. Ford Co-Pilot 360, the automaker's suite of advanced driving assistance systems, ADAS, comes standard and includes features such as forward collision warning and blind spot warning with rear traffic warning. Ford offers several ADAS available, including Trailer Backup Pro Help, Parking Distance Sensor, Trailer Reverse Guide. Ford's Sync 4 comes standard on the Raptor R and runs on a spacious 12-inch infotainment touchscreen. It offers key features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and can run multiple functions simultaneously. The larger screen accommodates features such as navigation and climate control in one view, making system use less intrusive and simpler, especially when the truck is moving. The Raptor R also gets plenty of off-road performance technology. Several selectable driving modes are standard for terrain such as snow, dirt, and sand. Ford has also included Trail Turn Assist, which locks the inner rear wheels to help the truck turn and make faster turns. A single-pedal off-road driving system called Trail Control also comes standard. Its function is similar to cruise control but on the trail to allow the driver to focus on the terrain ahead while the truck maintains its speed. The base Raptor costs $71,700, which puts the R at a premium of $37,445, but it's not an even comparison. When equipped with the same options and features, the Raptor R charges a $25,245 premium on the price tag for a supercharged V8 engine. The base TRX costs about $30,000 less than the Raptor R, and a loaded TRX equipped with the R still costs about $15,000 less than the R. The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R starts at $109,145. That's about $27,000 more than the 22 Raptor with a 37-inch tire package, which has an $81,705 price tag with no other options. Orders for the Raptor are now open, and Ford's off-road super truck will go into production this fall.